In this video, I'll show you how to convert CSV files with Claude AI. This is a quick way to transform your data into different formats or structures. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Add Files or Photos. Now I'll upload the CSV file I want to convert from my computer. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the chat. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen and type a prompt like, "Convert this CSV file into a table format." Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will process the file and generate a converted version, such as a formatted table or structured data. If I want a different format, I can specify it in my prompt. For example, I might type, "Convert this CSV into a JSON format." Claude can also help clean, reorganize, or summarize the data. Once the conversion is complete, I can copy or download the content and use it in my project or analysis. And that's it, I've successfully converted a CSV file using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.